friends. Welcome back to Ayden's Garbage Truck videos, and got these little figures of little bitty like garbage cans, and it's like a Play-Doh garbage can, ice cream cone garbage can, and we've got a trash bag garbage can, and we've got kind of like an open top garbage can, and that's all of this, but we're gonna do some more video taping though. So, and then we got this little Mickey figure garbage, and all it is cut up paper towels and stuff. That's all. And so here we go to the real thing. For the real thing. If I can get this garbage in here, I think I can do it. Okay, I got it. And this is, just remember, kids, and here it is. And this is paper towels though, and this. Now we're gonna do another garbage truck, but this one's kind of automatic, so. Here it is. It's a front loader and kind of has a lot of parts to it that is easy to break off, so that's why we got it, and I'll be very careful with it because you can see that this part breaks off, and